Hello, Hair Whisperers. It's been way too long. Oh my goodness, I've missed you. I've missed you so much. I never really loved doing videos, but what I do love is communicating with you and hearing from you. And guess what? While we were in quarantine, hunkered down, being pruned and reflecting and learning about ourselves and growing, there was amazing innovation happening in the space of the original Hair Whisperer. And what happened is we now have the opportunity to meet virtually, face to face, not like me do a video and then you comment or send me an email, but we get to actually talk because togethernow.com launched a portal and invited the original Hair Whisperer team to actually build out a collection of event spaces for us to get together virtually, one-on-one or in groups. And we have taken that on and been hosting what we call VIP Hair Love Meetups on Sundays. Usually it's a couple of times a month. The next one is April the 11th, and we're covering curl classification. The setup of the events is that I share about 10 to 15 minutes of content, and then the group of women all together in community ask questions, chime in with additional information. It's an amazing space for learning and sharing, and it's been great. Everyone has, the reviews have been really phenomenal. So I want you to come. My hope is that you'll hear this and decide to join us on April the 11th. One of the things you should know is while you can register for a session to be at the VIP Hair Love Meetup, and they're inexpensive, they're $20 to show up, the first session's free. They're free. So you can come and you can invite whoever you want on April the 11th, but even if you want to come later, you can come another day. The next one is on April 11th though, and it's on curl classification. So below in the comments area, you're gonna see two things. You're gonna see one that's a link to the Together Now portal. Check it out. They've got some awesome opportunities to connect virtually in general. But also the thing you're gonna see is how to register for the Hair Love Meetup, which you can do if you've already come. You can come to the next one and enroll. If you've never shown up before, take this opportunity to come for free, and there's an admin at thehairwhisperer.com email that you simply can send an email to saying, hey, I'd like my free backstage pass for my first VIP Hair Love Meetup event. I look forward to seeing you. I think this is so exciting. So exciting. Be blessed and be well, and I will see you soon.